So we got with us the Nexigo charging dock for P5. Let's crack this open. Just from the product display on the box, it looks pretty dope already. So let's crack it open. Oh, did not sound good. What is this? Really weird. It came with like fingertips. Not really fingertips. They're just extenders for the triggers, so you can like get like extra grip, I guess. And some analog grips. Again, I don't know, but whatever. Maybe someone will enjoy that. Now for what we came here for. User manual, specifications, and this is it. It actually looks pretty cool, honestly. Very clean, plastic look. It's a little big, also very lightweight like one of the other ones, but it has a nice vibe. Concerned already about the golden pins, the golden contact, as you can see right there. I'll give you a close-up look of that. But yeah, overall pretty cool. Has USB Type-C connector on the back part. On the bottom, looks like it charges pretty fast actually. So yeah, let's see how this thing goes.